how to link bank account to Webull. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can link bank account to Webull. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Webull app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on the blue deposit button at the bottom. It gives us two options here for adding funds. We can either do an H automated clearinghouse deposit or if you want to do a wire transfer. So we're going to click on that. And then you have the option to either do a real-time verification with your bank account, which is going to be instant, or you can verify two small deposits that are made to your account. I'm going to do the real-time verification and we're going to click on the blue next button. At this point, it brings you over here to a list of banks on the screen. And if you see your bank, you can go ahead and select it. But if your bank is not listed on this screen, you can click in here and search for it. Then you have to enter your banking credentials, then click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, it's going to kick back my two-factor authentication. So I'm going to have it send me that code now to verify our login. And then once you verify that code, you can click on submit once again, and it should bring you to an overview of your financial accounts with this bank. At this point, you're going to select the account that you want to link to, and then once you have that selected, you're going to click on the save and finish button. So that's how you can link bank account to Webull. That's all for this video.